Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your iPhone. Connect your phone to PC, open iTunes application and tap continue. This computer won't access from this iPhone, so hit continue. Here, trust this computer, hit trust. Click the small icon here and welcome to your new iPhone. Click continue. And your iPhone will be syncing to your PC right now. So once completed, get started. These are your phone information, and here you have to choose the backup to this computer and tap backup now. It will take backup your data to this PC, and once it's done, and you will notice here the last backup to this computer information, and tap done and apply the changes. Tap apply, and now you have successfully backup your data to the PC. Open the C folder and tap users, and here I'm using this my username Asus. So here I'm going to choose these three dots and choose options, and here tap view and show hidden files and apply. Tap OK. Here you see the new folder name app data. Double click on roaming and tap Apple computer and tap mobile sync. Here is on your last backup which was saved to your PC. Now I am going to teach you the restore. Open the iTunes, tap that icon, and you will see here restore backup. Tap restore. Here you will get a pop-up message to turn off your Find My on your iPhone. On your iPhone, in the settings, in the search icon, type Find My and hit enter, and choose this Find My option and turn it off, and enter your password and hit turn off. Once it turned off, tap this OK button and hit restore backup. And now restoring backup to your iPhone. The restoring time is depend upon your data size. Once it completed, you will get a prompt message. The settings of your iPhone have been restored. Tap OK, and congratulations, you have successfully restored your iPhone. And thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.